If you've just moved to the US or you're starting your financial journey as a young adult, you may probably ask, how do I build a credit score from nothing? It might feel intimidating, but don't worry, everyone starts at zero. I'll explain everything, step by step, with real-life examples and tips, so you can confidently build your credit from scratch. First, let's understand why credit matters so much in America. Your credit score isn't just about getting approved for a loan. It impacts nearly every part of your financial life. It can decide whether you can rent an apartment, what interest rates you'll pay on a car loan or mortgage, how much your car insurance costs, and even whether you get hired for certain jobs. A higher score literally saves you thousands of dollars over your lifetime, so starting early is key. Now, before you assume you have no score, check your credit report and see where you stand. You can do this for free once a year at annualcreditreport.com, or use apps like Credit Karma, Experian, or even your own bank's app. If the report says no file or insufficient history, don't worry, that simply means you're starting fresh. So how do you actually get started? One of the best ways is with a secured credit card. This is a special type of card designed for beginners. You give the bank a refundable deposit, usually $200 to $500, and that becomes your credit limit. Let me give you an example. Say you open a secure card with a $300 deposit. Each month, use it for small, everyday purchases, maybe $50 on gas and $100 on groceries, then pay the full $150 before the due date. This shows lenders you can use credit responsibly without overspending. Another powerful strategy is becoming an authorized user on someone else's credit card. For example, if your mom or brother has a card with good history and low balance, ask them to add you as an authorized user. Even if you never touch the card, their positive payment history will show up on your report and help build your score. You can also look into a credit builder loan. These are small loans offered by banks and credit unions, where the money is held in a savings account until you've paid it off. It's a safe way to build payment history while saving money. If you're a student, you can also apply for a student credit card, which usually has more relaxed approval requirements. Once you have at least one of these accounts open, the real work begins, managing them properly. Here's what to do. Always pay your bills on time, because payment history is the biggest factor in your score. About 35%. Even being just one day late can hurt you. Keep your utilization low, ideally under 30%, but the lower the better. So if your card has a $300 limit, try not to carry more than $90 on it. Better yet, pay it off completely each month to avoid interest. And here's a common mistake to avoid: opening too many accounts at once. Now, if you love this video, so like that and subscribe for more such videos.